Alright guys, we got 100 in, 5-cent denom, $1.25 bet to start. We're on a Lightning Link best bet. You need 6 trophies or 3 of the horseshoe $ symbols. Come on, give us something. 6 of them trophies would be nice. The horses are also wild. That first symbol there on the top left is the free games. Come on, give us something. Come on. I think we'll bump it to 250. Oh, 5 of them. Then 2 free games. What a... 5 again. Come on, we need 6 trophies here. Come on, give us those trophies. We need something here. Alright, we're going to bump it to 375 now. Come on, give us a good line pay, if nothing else. Come on, horsies. Come on, give us that bonus. I think we're going to switch over to 2-cent denom. Do a $1.50 bet, or 150 credit, $3 bet. Come on, we really need a bonus here. Come on now. Come on, trophies. We need trophies. Come on, come on. Oh, darn the bad luck. Come on, give us something. Oh, we got it. And there's 2 $60 balls on there. This could be a good bonus. Those are big values, guys. Come on, let's fill it up. 2-cent denom, $3 bet, hold and spin on the Lightning Link best bet. Keep dropping those trophies in there. Last chance, we need something on this one, guys. Oh, and we got a $15 trophy. And a $6 trophy. Come on, 2 more for that $10,000 grand. Can we fill it up? Come on, we need something here. Alright guys, we will take it. We got that hold and spin bonus and got some good value. Looks like that's about a $312 bonus on a $3 bet. You cannot beat that. Remember, we started with 100. While this adds this up, why don't you guys tell me what your favorite bonus games are and what you like to play when you go to the casino down in the comments. Alright guys, we got a little over 350 on the machine now. Come on. We're going to play it down to about 300 and cash out and move on. Come on, give us those free games now. Come on, trophies or free games. I think we're going to bump it up to a $5 bet. See if we can't hit a bonus on a bigger bet. Come on, trophies. Come on. Darn. We'll do one more $5 spin, and then we're going to bump it down to $2. Well, the button's acting up. Okay, there we go. Couple more $2 spins, and we're going to cash it out at $300 and some change. Remember, guys, like, share, subscribe, and tell all your friends about RickAfella.